M.O.P. Laughing Star.
Last week was my birthday. One girl called me and said, I'm coming to your house. And they asked her, where are you?
Which house?
She said, I'm on my way. To where? Because where I keep my bag is different from where I sleep. Do you get? And the last comedian was talking about car. You don't have a car and you're cracking a joke about car. Wow. Let me tell you about cars. So, last year, I mistakenly won a Lexus GS470. I like as nobody even clap, nobody happy. When I won the car, I was happy. I can't tell people car I win. They say no be car na Jeep. I say wetin be the difference? They say this one a V8. I say wetin be V8? They say you go soon know. The governor of Abia State invited me, say, thank you for making Abia State proud. Say, which car did you win? I say, it's a Jeep. He say, wow. He say, which Jeep? I say, GS470. Governor say, do you know that's a V8? I say, yes, sir. Governor can say, do you know the governor uses V4? I just want to tell people I now know what a V8 is. When I won the car, I was praying that God will bless Ali Baba. You know, so I put 20K for the car, not restart. I'm going through a lot. Yeah. People, they see me, they say, guy, they slim. Now they car. Before now, they do 111. Before the car came. Now, as I want to come out this night, I go do 110. Make her move. M.O.P. come and say, you go pay for my show. How much I go pay you? I say, just hold the car. By the special grace of God, I'm still single. Wait, for the single ladies here, I don't know what you're looking for in a man that I don't have. What did he say? Apart from accommodation, no, you get? So one of my friends came from the US to watch me for the first time. Please help me celebrate Connie. Yeah. Talking about US, I started dating one girl. I thought it's God's plan for my life. She can't say, Momsy want to see you. I said, where's Momsy? She say, Texas. Are they happy? God don't do one for me. Can't say, what do I need? Can't say, Mommy, you sent an invitation card and do you have a passport? I said, yes. I said, okay. The Momsy sent invitation card. Invitation letter. When I never travel, when they believe, God. So I went to the embassy. They come say, I print my bank statement. I don't know if it's the bank statement they saw. You know, say they steal my passport. I love you guys. My name is Funny Urch. Good night.
M.O.P. Laughing Star.
M.O.P. Anybody not telling you other pressure say you must marry. But man, life too hard. The day they born you as a man, war don't start. No, you can't say that war. After 7 days of cut your prick. That you will start circumcision. Feel the pain, baby. Marriage now scam. You don't say the moment you marry as a man, that time you meet your spec. Yes, you do me. Bro, I'm a man, I just love back, love front. For good 7 years, I find woman will get front, get back. I not see. I can't go make mistake, marry my wife. No yash. If you see my wife, it be like Chinese man when they peace. The moment I marry my wife, bam! 2 guests just pack from our compound. See breast, as they see me, oh, Casino, you're such a phenomenal comedian. For my man, we all are this, he's made on that promise you. If you see any name when the guests they call me, you are just super amazing, darling. And my wife never called me better than before for my life. If I send her money, the highest way will call me Cassie Wewe, I'm a vigilante. Cassie Lose, I'm a shrine. So I'm going to feel bad. What is happening here? To make the matter worse, this is my neighbor, educated, rich. She know the 2 wrongs. She be even virgin from rich home. Me not going to do hori. Marry would have been a village. Mistake people make. Bro, what did you even pay me? I was doing my Euro tour. I can't go borrow money from the girl. 20 million. As I was leaving her house. Now she tell me, say, Casino, I wish you were not married. You wouldn't have paid back. Now that night I don't want to praise my wife. Let's end it all. I don't know why some people they do like that. And you know the painful thing? Those your normal female friends, they are more caring than your wife. At times I want to go show like this. If my call time at 10 p.m., the girl will chat me. I would love to know when you're performing. As I just tell her 10 p.m. Bam! Exactly 9:30. I don't receive message. Hi Lawrence. I just want to let you know you're the best to ever do it. You are a first-class champion. You are a super success. Go there and shine. Much love, Sandra, your neighbor. Bah! 10 minutes to when I go climb stage. My wife, my mistake. We all send me message. Every time, show. You never have time for family. I think it's about time to choose between your career and the family. Now reply and choose our neighbor. Manage hard. And you know, no matter how human being is, whether poor or rich, they love attention. Yeah. I think just day, one day, they do Zoom call with clients. With the try price, they want to make me brand ambassador. Then they say 30 million. I say make it 35 million for my room. My wife, you know, they call me, honeycomb, please, it's important. I did Zoom call, 30 million last. Please call me, it's an emergency. Zoom call. She can't use one word. Call me, please. I don't want to do what I will regret. Now say this is serious. So as I go her room, now she bring out her phone. Say, only check these 2 skirts. Should I buy the yellow one or the red one? For my man, let me open your phone with your collapse. Let's end it all. All of them like it. And I think most ladies are hypocrites. That's the truth. Relationship will break in the third way, say, I don't blame you, I see my nakedness. Now when you see a graphics designer. But not true now. Not true. Now that's when I go here fast. Some girls will feel like saying they don't know your vision. Like, why would I bring a girl to a club? You don't spend 4 million. You follow me to my house. You come here my big polo. There's nothing inside. And they try me the fruit of my labor. Your person casino stop. What are you trying to do? I want to see ballot boss. Hypocrites! Putting them under pressure. Now you're going to see women they drag. Bro, they will never be started by 2 a.m. Hotel when I Lord, I see one girl. Mama, chief, the best small girl. Baby, you cannot say no at this point. Put me in your father's shoe. Nowhere to go. Farm City have closed. The girl called the tell her useless thing. Sorry if I do this now. And my hair will scatter. See Shifu. Don't worry, I will plait your hair. Shifu, now when you let her dress in work. Why you let this small Shifu now? The one I hate. Some girls the one that make you feel like they're going to give you guilty conscience. Casino, stop this. I have so much respect for you. Hey, disrespect me, I'm not safe. Man, when you please stand, now call me one call. Emotional blackmail. The one I hate. And you see casino, you are like a brother to me. Ah, I the one. Mama no don't get.
M.O.P. Laughing Star.
What's this one? Who they operate this you dey crazy? But I say no, you better say I come from. I be worried about you, man. Can you remove this rubbish? I didn't blame the boy, yo. I don't like how the boy is living my dream life. I don't like him. What are the plans say 5 years anniversary? This year I'm going to be 5 years in marriage. What are the plans say 5 years anniversary? I go do this idiot now. Don't they do him? He they live above the age. Yes, now because this small pikin now. He they carry get go South Africa. They dey inside water. He will drown. Idiot. You think I'm happy with him? I don't like them. Oh. We made it for social media. I don't like them. But you don't see comments. See the way they went to for Jarvis. That see comments. Are these kids not too small? Nigeria, it they pain them. Haters. Let somebody right say, are they not supposed to be in school? Ooh, the boy post it for their face. Evil. Social media very helpless. Oh. Bro. God had just like me at that time, if it's a war, that time, an economical war, political war, but now social media war, everybody, they attack everybody. See Donald Trump now. When Donald Trump enter, I just say, you have just 2 genders in America, male and female. See social media, people reply for Thailand, they just reply and say, now he know we legalize same-sex marriage. Canada reply You see, say Nigeria not talking easy. Because not consign us. Now when he comes I say on the 20th of February, no more citizenship if you are giving birth in America. See where Nigeria reply, you will say you be God. Woo! What God cannot do does not exist.
M.O.P. Laughing Star.
Jesus, I don't get fans like this. That I don't stop comedy, I go open only fan. How much comedy they pay me now? Seriously, I want to stop this work. I want to do my dream job. I want the art form. After performance, how much they want pay me? M.O.P. go begin advise me. Shaka hard work brought you here from Shengotedo. Hard work na boat driver. But comedy, porn is not like that. Once you add porn for audition, whether they accept you or not, once you come, you're good to go. Na life. Baba, enjoy yourself. Nothing in this life. Mobile dying, Papa and cloth go do interview. Now this life you want suffer. Any money when I get now, go squander around. Nothing want tell me for Nigeria. If you like spend your money wisely, go still finish. If you wise pass this economy, now small man they rule us. Well, I know if you wise pass this economy. Not if now this period prodigal son do that thing, therefore kill him. Since Papa see him for gate, he go tell that his senior brother to kill him. Now every day, everything they increase. See, girl, when I carry last week Sunday, 15,000. That thing, get mine. They charge me 30,000 today. Say things don't cost. I shall they increase price for old stock. For something you no buy anything. Baba, see, some people they take risk. If they play love play with girl, she say she go mash your neck. You still there. No be hand, no be leg, bro, neck. Why girl go no place? We suppose kill man once. Shama, they talk your story. Tell person, oh, please. This my performance is sponsored by We Listening With Us. We Listening With Us. Now, why talking stage good? Use talking stage. They ask important questions. But Nigerians, we don't misunderstand the concept of talking stage. Go see man, go they ask them mumu question. Do you squirt? You want fashion? But they ask important questions. I say, look at not fear. Look into her eyes. That's her babe. I say, girl, why you get bullet wound for shoulder? John Wick's sister. What you go to do with people who get gun? Ask, Baba. But the thing about men, they say, you know, they once penny stand, perspective, they change. They see red flag, kuru, they romance girl for laps, you see machete scar. Instead of you to run, you say, baby, I love your birthmark. Okay. I see what you did there. Baba, see, as a man, to get food stuff, this economy better pass big penny, so Nigerian girls, only when they're hungry, then they're honey. They play. Now why they tell people, DJ bring on that. Any girl wey dey come visit you this period, confirm if she don eat before you send transport to. Girl never chop, you dey send her transport to come do wetin? If na you go come. So wait, make she use empty stomach, come dey do collapse doggy with you wey don drink go dey, she dey wait. What if she collapse? Na why some kind times you go see some girls dey cry while having sex. No be like say the guy too sweet, no. The penis dey hit the ulcer. The thing dey hit am. Wait, you think say the girl dey enjoy am? She dey enjoy am now, she dey mourn old babe because suffering. Na so dem dey mourn. Thing dey hit the ulcer. For Nigeria now, Baba, girls wey no get ulcer remain just 4. Allegedly o.
M.O.P. Laughing Star.